Welcome to Dream on Wheels, the channel where we explore incredible motorhomes, luxury camper vans, and the freedom of life on the open road. And today, we're taking a closer look at something truly special, the Rapido 776FF. The Rapido 776FF is designed to make experiences like this both comfortable and unforgettable. With its elegant European design, spacious interior layout, and clever use of space, this motorhome offers a perfect blend of practicality and luxury. So today, we're going to take a full tour of the Rapido 776FF, exploring its exterior design, the comfortable living area, the kitchen, the sleeping spaces, the bathroom, storage solutions, and of course, the overall travel experience it offers. So sit back, relax, and let's explore what makes the Rapido 776FF such an exciting motorhome for travelers who love the open road. The first thing you notice about the Rapido 776FF is its sleek and modern European styling. Rapido has always been known for producing motorhomes with clean lines and elegant design, and the 776FF is no exception. From the moment you see it, the motorhome feels premium and well-built. The front design is bold, yet refined, featuring a wide windshield that offers excellent visibility while also giving the motorhome a confident presence on the road. Large headlights and aerodynamic body lines add to its modern appearance. Moving along the sides, you'll notice stylish graphics and well-balanced proportions that give the vehicle a sleek and sophisticated look. Large windows are positioned throughout the motorhome, allowing plenty of natural light to enter the living space inside. This not only makes the interior feel brighter, but also creates a stronger connection with the beautiful scenery outside. Another practical feature of the exterior is the generous amount of storage compartments. These exterior storage spaces allow travelers to carry camping gear, outdoor furniture, bicycles, luggage, and other travel essentials without sacrificing interior space. For long road trips, this type of storage flexibility makes a huge difference. Despite offering a spacious interior layout, the Rapido 776FF remains surprisingly manageable to drive, making it a great option for travelers who want comfort without the stress of driving an oversized vehicle. Step inside the Rapido 776FF, and you're immediately greeted by a bright, welcoming living space. The interior design reflects Rapido's commitment to comfort and modern aesthetics. Soft color tones, high-quality materials, and thoughtful lighting create an environment that feels more like a stylish apartment than a traditional motorhome. At the front of the motorhome, you'll find the main lounge and dining area. The driver and passenger seats swivel around to become part of the living space, instantly expanding the seating area. This clever design makes the front of the motorhome feel open and social, perfect for relaxing or spending time with family and friends. The central dining table sits comfortably between the seating areas, making it ideal for meals, conversations, or planning the next destination on your journey. Large panoramic windows surround the seating area, filling the space with natural daylight during the day. In the evening, ambient lighting creates a cozy atmosphere that feels calm and relaxing after a long day of exploring. Whether you're enjoying breakfast in the morning or unwinding at night, the lounge area quickly becomes the heart of life inside the motorhome. Moving further inside the Rapido 776FF, you'll find a well-designed kitchen area that balances functionality with style. Even though motorhome kitchens need to be compact, Rapido has managed to create a space that feels practical and comfortable to use. The kitchen includes a modern gas stove, a stainless steel sink, and generous countertop space for preparing meals. This allows travelers to cook simple meals easily while on the road. Above and below the countertop, there are multiple cabinets and drawers designed to store cooking utensils, groceries, and other kitchen essentials. A large refrigerator provides plenty of space for keeping food fresh during long trips. Everything in the kitchen has been positioned carefully to maximize efficiency and convenience. Whether you're making a quick breakfast before a morning drive or preparing dinner at a scenic campsite, the kitchen provides everything needed for comfortable travel living. A good night's sleep is essential when traveling, and the Rapido 776FF is designed to provide exactly that. One of the standout features of this motorhome is its comfortable sleeping arrangement. At the rear of the motorhome, you'll find a spacious bedroom area designed for relaxation and privacy. The layout typically includes twin beds that can also be converted into a larger sleeping space if needed. These beds are designed with supportive mattresses that help ensure restful sleep after long days of driving or exploring new places. Overhead cabinets provide convenient storage for clothing and personal belongings, helping keep the sleeping area tidy and organized. Soft lighting and thoughtful design details create a calm atmosphere that feels perfect for winding down at the end of the day. Even in a motorhome, having a comfortable bathroom makes travel much easier. The Rapido 776FF includes a smartly designed bathroom that offers both practicality and convenience. Inside, you'll find a toilet, sink, mirror, and a separate shower area. The layout ensures travelers can stay fresh and comfortable even during longer journeys. Clever storage compartments allow toiletries and essentials to be neatly organized. Despite the compact footprint, the bathroom design feels efficient and well thought out. For travelers who enjoy exploring remote destinations, having a fully equipped bathroom on board adds a huge level of freedom. One of the key strengths of the Rapido 776FF is its smart storage design. Traveling comfortably requires space for clothing, gear, and everyday items, and this motorhome offers plenty of solutions. Overhead cabinets run throughout the interior, providing convenient storage without making the space feel crowded. Wardrobes allow travelers to store clothes neatly during extended trips outside. Large garage-style storage compartments make it possible to carry larger equipment like bikes or camping furniture. These practical storage features make the motorhome especially suitable for longer adventures. Driving a motorhome might sound intimidating at first, but the Rapido 776FF is designed to make the experience surprisingly comfortable. The driver's cabin includes ergonomic seats, a clear dashboard layout, and excellent road visibility through the large windshield. Modern driving assistance systems help improve safety and confidence on the road. Even during longer journeys, the motorhome remains stable and easy to handle. This combination of comfort, stability, and reliability makes the Rapido 776FF a great travel companion for both experienced motorhome travelers and newcomers to the lifestyle.